Directives. The VB.NET compiler directives give instructions to the compiler to pre-process the information before actual compilation starts. All these directives begin with hash, and only white space characters may appear before a directive on a line. These directives are not statements. VB.NET compiler does not have a separate preprocessor. However, the directives are processed as if there was one. In VB.NET, the compiler directives are used to help in conditional compilation. Unlike C and C++ directives, they are not used to create macros. Compiler directives in VB.NET. VB.NET provides the following set of compiler directives: the hash const directive, the hash external source directive, the hash if then hash else directives, the hash region directive. Hash const directives. This directive defines conditional compiler constants. Syntax for this directive is where const name specifies the name of the constant required. Expression. It is either a literal or other conditional compiler constant, or a combination including any or all arithmetic or logical operators except is. For example, when the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Hash external source directives. This directive is used for indicating a mapping between specific lines of source code and text external to the source. It is used only by the compiler, and the debugger has no effect on code compilation. This directive allows including external code from an external code file into a source code file. The syntax for this directive is the parameters of hash external source directive are the path of an external file, line number of the first line, and the line where the error occurred. The following code demonstrates a hypothetical use of the directive. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. The hash if then hash else directives. This directive conditionally compiles selected blocks of Visual Basic code. The syntax for this directive is the following code demonstrates a hypothetical use of the directive. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. The hash region directives. This directive helps in collapsing and hiding sections of code in Visual Basic files. Syntax for this directive is hash region identifier underscore string hash end region. For example,